It's empty in the valley of your heart. The sun rises slowly as you walk away from all the fears and all the faults you've left behind. The harvest left no food for you to eat. You can't pull your meat deep till you see. But I have seen the same. I know the shame in your defeat. But I will hold on hope, and I won't let you choke on the noose around your neck. And I find strength in pain, and I will change my ways. I'll know my name as it's called again. Cause I have other things to fill my time, and you take what is yours and I'll take mine. So let me add the truth which will refresh my broken mind. So tie me to a post and block my ears. I can see widows and orphans through my tears. I know my call despite my faults and despite my growing fears. So make your sirens call and sing all you want. I will not hear what you have to say. Cause I need freedom now, and I need to know how to live my life as it's meant to be. So come out of the cave, walking on your hands, and see the world hanging upside down. You can understand dependence when you know the Maker's hand. But I will hold on hope, and I won't let you choke on the noose around your neck. And I find strength in pain, and I will change my ways. I'll know my name as it's called again.